Hi guys, and welcome to yet another video. We are back big. Does that even mean back? We are back big. It's not we. Hi guys. Yo, I haven't done this for so long that I'm just forgetting. Also, like, why am I bent over like this? Is because this camera is literally, this is the only level that I can put it on. But anyway, welcome back to my channel, guys. DIY Deco with Lorna. I know it's been a while, but I am back. And there's just been a lot of changes and a lot of transformations. And with that said, I do have an apartment tour for you guys, an empty apartment tour for you guys, which I'm pretty excited about. So that's what I'm going to be doing, as you can hear with the echo and stuff like that. So I think I don't want to waste any more time. Let's get straight into this empty apartment tour. So when you walk in, you're met by the kitchen area, which I'm going to go to a little bit later. But then we've got the living room over here, which leads into the outside area. I'm just not going to walk now as I'm going to the outside, but like that leads to the outside area, and then I'll walk but not talk because the wooden floors are so loud. And this is the outside. I just said I'm not going to talk, and I did. This is the outside area, which I'm pretty excited about. You know, I might get into a little bit of gardening, etc. Got a few ideas as to what I'd like to do here. It's actually great that it's raining today, because then I know exactly where to place my dining table so that it doesn't get any rain on. Anyway, so that's the outside area. And then this is basically the living area coming from the coming from the little outside section. And then this is basically the living room. This is the living room. My broken chair over there. And what I love about this apartment is that it's very cozy, very cute, and stuff like that. Like, it's smaller than the one that I was in before, living in before, but I'm actually pretty happy about the size, if I'm honest. And this is my tiny little kitchen area, or kitchenette in this instance. Obsessed with this like wall thing that's going on here. So this is the kitchen area, and that leads into the bedroom. We just got like a little cute desk over there, some cupboard space. The bathroom is inside there. Can't go in here now because they're literally doing this floor, and this thing apparently still needs to cure and dry, etc. But yeah, that's basically it, y'all. Obsessed with that outside area. I actually think I probably took this place just because of this outside area, honestly. And that's the entryway over there. Cool guys, so that was the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I've got so many ideas as to what I want to do to this apartment, so many different ideas. Obviously need to ask permission from the landlord before I do anything. That's always a good tip. Always make sure to ask first. So fingers crossed that he's cool with all the plans that I do have. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, basically my content is centered around home decor and recreating your rental home and making it your own, because I'm a firm believer in the fact that just because you rent it doesn't necessarily mean that you don't get to make it your own. So yeah, if you're not subscribed to the channel, welcome, and please do make sure to subscribe, and please do keep coming back for more and more DIY and home decor content. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Love y'all.